What if I told you that your next viral video might just need one thing, a killer thumbnail? A video's thumbnail is the first thing viewers see. If it's visually appealing and relevant to the content, it's more likely to catch attention. Hey, creators, welcome back to the channel. Let's know, why is CTR important for viral YouTube videos? Increased views. A higher CTR means more people are clicking on your video, which leads to more views. Better ranking. YouTube's algorithm rewards videos with high CTRs by showing them to more people. This can help your video climb the search rankings and reach a wider audience. Engagement. High CTR indicates that your video's thumbnail and title are resonating with viewers, which is a good sign of engagement. Monetization. If your video is monetized, a higher CTR can lead to more ad impressions and therefore more revenue. Today, we're diving into the world of AI to craft thumbnails that don't just get noticed, they get clicked. We're talking about the perfect blend of creativity and technology using ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. Ready to turn your thumbnails into click magnets? Let's jump in. In the end, I will tell you the best technique to create thumbnails like Mr. Beast or any other top creators. 1. Why thumbnails can make or break your video. Let's be real, your thumbnail is like a movie trailer for your video. It's the split-second decision maker for potential viewers. Think of it as your secret weapon to skyrocket your click-through rate. It's not just about making something pretty. It's about creating something that demands attention and sparks curiosity. 2. Using chat to spark creative thumbnail ideas. Time to harness some AI power. First up, let's get those creative juices flowing with ChatGPT. This AI isn't just for writing scripts. It's a creative powerhouse that can brainstorm thumbnail concepts tailored to your content. Let's say your video is 5 striking thumbnails. We'll ask ChatGPT to whip up some visually striking thumbnail ideas. Give me 5 captivating thumbnail ideas for a YouTube video titled How to Make Viral YouTube Thumbnails. Boom! ChatGPT delivers. Maybe it suggests a vibrant, mouth-watering close-up of pasta that practically jumps off the screen, or a split shot showcasing all 5 dishes. These are the kinds of ideas that will make your thumbnail pop. 3. Bringing your thumbnail to life with Leonardo AI. Now that we've got some killer ideas, it's time to bring them to life with Leonardo AI. This tool is your new best friend for creating high-quality, customized images that are perfect for thumbnails. Or we can give viral thumbnails to chat to get similar or more outstanding results. Screen recording shows navigating the Leonardo AI dashboard with speed and precision. Here's where the magic happens. Input the keywords from ChatGPT, something like vibrant pasta dish, rich colors, enticing food display. Watch as Leonardo AI generates visually stunning images tailored to your vision. Select the best image or tweak the settings to get it just right. Leonardo AI lets you play with elements like brightness and contrast to ensure your thumbnail is sharp and stands out. Once everything looks perfect, export your thumbnail at 1280 by 720 pixels, the ideal size for YouTube. You're now armed with a thumbnail that's ready to grab some serious attention. The best technique to create viral thumbnails like top creators like Mr. Beast or any other creator. Just open a video on YouTube whose thumbnail you like the most to create similar thumbnail, and copy its URL and open your browser and search YD thumbnail downloader now, open any site you like, and paste the URL to download now, open chat, and upload that thumbnail you have downloaded earlier and give that prompt to chat. Give me exact prompt for this image, and boom, chat gives you exact prompts according to the thumbnail. And now copy these prompts and paste in Leonardo AI to generate your CTR booster thumbnail. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.